Hello and welcome to Monroe Junior High End of Year Award Ceremony. My name is Joe Ward. I'm the principal of Monroe Junior High. While we weren't able to be together at the end of this school year, we still want to make sure we recognize all the students for their hard work and determination. I want to thank Elizabeth Barger for putting together all the awards, and a special thanks to Andrea Carvellano for creating this slideshow. It was a lot of work, and it turned out to look fabulous, so we really want to make sure we thank her for everything she did. Before we actually get into the awards, I want to talk about each award so you know what students will be receiving. First of all, the GPA awards are only based off first, second, and third quarter because the fourth quarter was on a pass or did not pass system. Those grades were not calculated into a GPA, so those awards are only off first, second, and third quarter. All certificates for these awards will be mailed home sometime in June. The awards they're going to be receiving: the Honor Roll Award. They had to have a GPA of 3.5 or higher for all three quarters. It is not an average. They had to have a 3.5 in each quarter. Principal's Award is a 4.0 in all three quarters. And if they did get a 4.0, then they get the Honor Roll Award and the Principal's Award. Perfect Attendance Award is for students who had 0 absences or tardies all year. And then there are 3 teacher awards. If a student had 0 missing assignments in a teacher's class all year, then they would receive the Relentless Effort Award. If they made significant improvement throughout the year, they would get the Significant Improvement Award. And we also wanted to make sure we recognize students who excelled during this remote learning experience. So if they completed 100% of a teacher's assignments, they would receive the Remote Learning Excellence Award. In addition to those awards, we also want to recognize students who completed the extension project. Each student was given the opportunity to complete this project. It was completely voluntary. It was an extension of their learning in all their core subjects. So it was all the standards in their subjects, but it was just new and different and difficult challenges they had to complete. It was a pilot program for this first year. And all the work that the students did was completely outside of school. They had to do their normal school work plus this project. The 8th grade project was an amazing race concept, so all the tasks that they had to perform were involving different countries of the world. And if they did complete it, they were awarded a distinction on the report card and a field trip. Now, obviously, the field trip was canceled this year, but as soon as school is back to normal functioning, we are going to reward them with that field trip. And the people that completed the project for the 8th grade were Allison Morris and Spencer Regal. They should be very proud of themselves. I know their teachers are proud of them. It was a lot of work to finish this project outside of the class. Now, the next slide is going to begin our awards ceremony. This program has limited recording time, so I had to make the slides move every 2 seconds, so you may need to pause it to see everything. I hope you enjoy the ceremony. I hope you all have a great and safe summer.